Hello, welcome to this training of a sales funnel. I'm going to show you here how you can make a sales funnel using Funnelizer, and it's so simple. And you'll be amazed. You won't believe how easy this is to do. And let me see if I can get in here and share my screen with you. Let me see. Here we go. We're going to go into MLSP. And we're going to go here to share the screen. Let me see. It's giving me my little box here. Let me move it up here out of the way. That just lets me organize it a little better. Okay, we're going to go down here to Funnelizer. This is the back office of MLSP. Is where I have all of my data and all of my training. So let me see here, hold on. We're going to create a new sales funnel. And this is going to be so much fun. See, just go right down here. We're going to log in. Let's see, what do we have here? Okay, these are funnels I've already made. And see, they tell you what your conversions are on each one, how many visitors, and all of this stuff here. And hold on, let me see if I can move there we go. I have to move my little box there. There we go, stay there. We are going to go over here to create a new sales funnel. See how simple this is? Okay, now we have to have a funnel name, and we're just going to call this a test funnel. Test. Okay, and it wants to have a slug, and this is going to say what you're going, where it is, and we're just going to call it test 1. And you can't have any silly things in there. It has to be simple. And there's more details on that later. But let's see, we're going to go here to create our sales funnel. Look at that. See how easy that is? Okay. And we are going to pick what we want to find. And let me see, we have here, it's test funnel. And here we got test 1. Okay. Now this is so simple. You can create any kind of sales funnel you choose to have. And if you look here, it gives you all these different options: a thank you page, a sales page, a webinar registration, or miscellaneous. Let's go to miscellaneous. And we've only got one option there. Let's go with a little different. Let's see. How about an opt-in page? This is so you can create and build your list. Let's see, we have these free ones here. If you look here, these here, see, built in, and these are already, these have been proven for conversion. So everything here, the wording, everything is set to go. Okay, how about a giveaway option? Because you want to give something away when you're getting people to log in to your sales page. You want to be able to give them something free. And then all these backgrounds can be changed and everything. So let's see. Let's pick one that's going to be awesome. You can either get one with a video, without a video. It's up to you. You can have one that you put a video in, and that's so simple. Or maybe you're just going to give away a free ebook or something. So you have all of these options here. See, that's a native blog, and you can view the template how you want to do it. See, okay, let's try this one. Let's view the template, and let's show you that. Okay, 10 reasons why businesses are failing. This is so simple. Okay, plain simple. It's down to earth. It's nothing super fancy, but you can change all this, and I'm going to show you how to do this right now. And we like this one. We're okay with it. So we're just going to back it up a little bit. Okay. Whoops. I backed it up too far, guys. Hold on. Let me just go back in there. Yeah, that's what happens when you get too excited and you're going fast. You want to slow down a second and not back yourself up, especially when I'm on Zoom here. An error funnel already exists. Okay. When you have that, this is a good example. You just scroll down here. And see, these are other funnels. I went through and cleaned out all my funnels and got rid of all the ones I didn't need. There we go. See our test funnels right here? This one we set. And we're going to edit it because we haven't done anything yet. Okay, and we're going to go into Optin. There we go. And come on, get down there. Okay, let's use this template. And it's going to want us to put our name in again to say which one it is. Because you're going to build this funnel. It's going to be so simple. And just ignore the noise in the yard. It's the gardener guy out there blowing the leaves. Okay, we're going to load this. Okay, this is your first start of your funnel. See how simple this is? Read this report. You get free instant access. It tells you all of this. And see these little things right here? These are little eyes. And if you click on this, it'll take it off. See, it took off the front part of that. If you look right here, it took this off. If you click it back on, ta-da, got that off. You got your background back. See? See, we're going to leave the background on. You can change the background. Okay, so let's go to our main content. And we're going to drop this little thing down. It shows us our form content and our product content. And we're going to go over here where it says main content, and we got our visibility. We're going to go, and you can show and hide with a delay. It's your choice. I'm just going to leave it as that because that is good for me. I like that. And let's see. You want to here, you're going to collect the email. You can adjust that. Let's see. Contact form. You have the choice. See how it highlights when I do that? When I click on this where it says subheadline? Read this free report. This is awesome. Okay, and your headline, 10 reasons why business is failing. Yeah, simple. We all want to know why. Why is everything failing? Why are we not succeeding? And your form, see how it lights up this box right here? When I tap on that. Okay, and we're going to go back up here, and I'm going to tap that, and it's going to take us over, and here's our form, edit form fields. There we go. See, this gives us the option here, and let me move this little doohickey thing there. Okay, this is your form field. See, it has our email address, and we're going to add a new form field. Say you want to not just get their email address, but you want to get their name. So there you go. Add form field. Ta-da. You have email and you have their name. Well, what if you want their phone number too? So you can call them and you can make contact. So phone number, add new field. Ta-da. That is so simple. Look at that. You got all of that right there and you're set and ready to go. Let me move me up here out of the way. I can't see if I can have to move me. Okay. See how simple that was? Now look. Boom, boom, boom. Here is your bar. Special note. Let's see. We're going to go right here, and we're just going to hit our down button. And we got to keep our little booger thing over there, and we hit the down button. And it'll scroll us down. There we go. So simple. This is the simplest system ever. Okay, and there's your lock icon. Okay, let's see. It keeps jumping around. It's got to quit doing that. And that's so you can go back in. You can change your icon if you want. You can do anything you want. See, and this is your normal size. You could change your icon ratio. See, you could rotate it. You can do whatever you want. It's your choice. You are building your funnel the way you choose to do it. And it keeps moving that way. It's just me today, not being very happy with it. Hold on. There we go. Okay, you get free instant access. You get your free report will be emailed to the address above. So I'm going to show you how to put that in there. It just takes 1 second. Look at that. Isn't that so simple? Yes, we love it. And just use your up and down buttons right there. And then if you just click this here, and it'll jump right back over to here, to item properties. And your headline, you can change this if you want. Why our business is failing. See, you can bold, italic, underline. You can do a strike through. You can do the font sizes. You can do different ones. You can do background color, or you can do foreground color. It's your choice. You can have whatever you want in there. So let's see if we want background color to change. Let's say we're going to change it to this color. It's a little bit different. And we can change the foreground color. Let's go with let's go with this color. You can do anything you want. You can change a little bit, you can change a lot. It's all up to you. Yeah. I think I like that one better. Okay. We'll just put an extra exclamation point there. Put a little emphasis on it. There's your sales form again. See how simple that was? Now, you want to show the labels inside the field. Do you want to have a placeholder for the fields? You can change that. See there? You can have nothing. I like to have it in there. Free instant access. You can change this. What would you like it to say? Instead of saying free instant access now. Get it while it's hot. Oops, you got to get your little thing over there. See, get it. Oops, that was me. I made a boo-boo. And it's easy to fix your boo-boos. There we go. Perfect. See how it shows up right there? It just shows up there. Simple. Okay, now we're going to go down here to integrations. Now this is very simple and it's very powerful because this way, what you can do, you'll enter these into your system. But you can integrate this with your autoresponder. So not only are you collecting your contacts into your CRM, your customer relations manager, but you're also collecting it into your autoresponder, which you can send messages and you can contact with people anytime you want. So I'm going to hook mine into my Aweber, and I'm going to put it in what file I want it to go into. And you could do my newsletter, or I could do whatever I want. Okay, and then I'm going to add one more new integration. And see, there it is. It shows there. It's in my Aweber, and it's going to that folder. And it gives you here the option if you want to delete it. So this one, I'm going to do it into my MLSP. So I get it both ways. And that way it just tells me if they're doing this, I know they're interested. So I'm going to put that on interested. And then I'm going to close this. Boom, done. So simple. Okay, then you have here actions. What actions do you want? Okay, do you want a pop-up alert? Do you want to get it to go to a URL? Or do you want to go to a sales funnel? So where do you want your action, which is here, to go to? You want it to go to a URL where they can just retrieve their data, their messages, or whatever they want from you? Or do you want to go to a sales funnel page? If you go to a sales funnel page, you're going to create another page, which that is simple also. Okay, so for this message, let's do a pop-up alert just to show you how simple that is. Okay, your pop-up alert will say, whoa, baby. Whoa, wow. wait. You want your free file, free training. Oops. And of course, you have to be able to spell, which I'm having a problem spelling today. And your free report. Okay, there we go. See, simple. And that's set to go. It's going to be a pop-up alert. And then when we go in, we'll see it pop up. So let's just save that real quick. Okay. It's saved. Let's just preview it real fast. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So you did that. That's awesome. Okay, let's close our preview. Let's go back here. And let's see what else we have here. Okay. Button appearance. You can have the default, you can have a hover action, or you can hover over it, or you can have active. You can change your text color. I've just got it on default. You can either gradient or solid, it's your choice. You can do that. See how good that is? Okay, and your special note, we can change all that if we want to. Visibility, show and hide, delay. You can have either one, either or. See, you can have it how many seconds you want it or whatever you want to do. I just use hide because I don't really care. I just want it to be simple. And I don't want people to get confused when they're on my site. There's your lock icon. Okay, and what do you want to do? Do you want to change the icon? Do you want to, excuse me, my sinuses. The visibility, you can have, what are your icon normal, icon size, you can have 33% larger. Gives you these different options here. So you can have whatever you want. And you can have your icon rotation. Let me see, let's get this to come down here a second. Come here, stinker. Okay. Okay. There we go. Look at all this fun stuff. See your free report, your information. So there's your lock icon. Your information is safe, which means you're not going to be sending anybody's email out to anybody. You're going to leave it just like it is. You're not going to sell their name. So you can do 2 times larger. See how larger that is? Or you can do, you know, a big if you want to do big time larger. See, look at that. It's up to you. You have choices. You can make these choices whatever you want to do. I'm just going to leave it as that because I like it. And then you can rotate it how you want it to look. And 180 degrees. See, you can do anything you want with it. Up, down, sideways, whatever you want. I'm just going to leave it normal because I like it that way. That's up to you. And enable icon spinning. See, it's going to spin. If you wanted to, you can do that. Let's just do that. Let's just be something a little bit different. And then there's the privacy statement. And that's down here. We're going to keep you private. We're not going to do anything. We're going to be happy with what we got. Here's your product image. That's your image right here. Okay, let's see. We're going to take this little booger. There's your image. Let me get this scrolled back up. And this is me today, guys. I'm just hitting the wrong buttons everywhere I turn. But it is simple. Trust me. It's just a simple little thing. It wants to keep jumping around on me today. You ever have a day like that where everything you do wants to jump around the other way than what you want it to do? Okay. You can change this to whatever you want it to be. It is your choice. If you have a different picture that you want to add in there, you can do that simply. So you can change your image right here. And so you could put whatever you want in there. You could put a picture of yourself. You could upload an image here and just put the image, or you could choose a file. So just go to your files here, and you could go to, let's see, documents, and mindset pick side. Let's do that. That's for a different one. Upload image. Name is going to be PowerPoint. PPT. PowerPoint. And this may be a little too big. Oh, it's not. Okay, we're going to select this image. And see how simple that was? Look at that. It shows you right here. It's in there. It's great. Look at that. And any default actions that you want are right here. You can have another pop-up. You could have whatever you want. And I'm just going to save that. And that's your footer, which shows you the copyright. So you won't have to worry about anybody messing with your stuff. Yep. Simple, simple. Okay, we like that. And get back over here, you stinker. And we're going to scroll up here. See? You can change this and make it a different size. Let's do that real quick, shall we? Make it a different size. Let's see. Image. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Okay, here is your SEO. What are you going to call, what's your title? What do you want this to be? What do you want the readers to see it as? How about sales funnels? Okay. And of course, you have to be able to spell today. And I'm having a spelling problem today. Please excuse me. Okay, what do you want the search engines to notice about this that's going to get you where you want to go? Okay, how about homework? And just put a comma. And then let's see, sales. And then, okay, let's go with keywords. You could put in here, you could go to Google AdWords and you could find out what is trending now for the keywords, and you can create your title around that. Okay, let's see, let's try home business. And a comma. Is that a apostrophe? Comma. And how about home business? We want to put the sales funnel. You could have as many as you want keywords, so you could just, anything you want there, you can do that. I'm just going to put that for now. And you could put in this tracking code. What do you want your tracking code to be below? You can have another one. You could say, okay, I want this to be, it's going to be a live, L-I-V-E. And I'll just leave that will be my tracking code. And I'll know whoever edits on, whoever clicks on this will be, I'll know it was from a live that I did. Okay, enable exit pop-up. I really don't want another pop-up on this. And let's see, background, everything looks good. I'm gonna leave that like it is. Okay, so I'm gonna hit save. And then I'm gonna hit publish. Okay, and then I'm going to hit preview. There we go. I don't want this to overpower too much, so I'm going to leave that like it is for right now. And later, if I want to, I can change it or not change it. It's my choice. I have the ability to do what I want with it. And let's close the preview. Perfect. Okay. And we got test. Let me move this little stinker up here out of the way. It is a test 1, and we're set to go with that. And let's see. Let's move this little stinker out of the way. Okay. We're set to go. That looks good. If we want to change anything, we can. It's our options to change whatever we want. So we're going to go back over here to Funnelizer and see, there we go. We're going to have to give it a, where you go. It's going to be down here because we want it to be, there we go. And edit. Okay, we need to put a variation. Here's our funnel, and we can go in here, we can edit, we can set new tabs, we can preview, we can get a URL. You can get a URL for your page, for your funnel, but let's give it a variation first. We have to get a variation to make it active. Okay, let's start variation. There we go. And see, now we have a variation, and we're going to publish this funnel. And see, now it tells us that it's running. Okay, and then we have, get a URL. Okay, let me move this out of the way. Okay, let's see. See, it tells us here, this is our URL. So all we have to do is just highlight it. And we're going to copy it. And we're going to close this. And I need to get me out of the way again. Get this out of the way again. And I'm going to go into a new window here. And we're going to try it here. Paste it. And we're going to hit go. See, beautiful. Let me get my thing out of the way. There we go. Look at that. And just put in an email address. Okay. And let's get instant access. See, look. Don't you want your free report? Yes or no, maybe, thinking about it. Okay. There, and that's done. And it's going to send that right back. And you're going to get replies, and these people are going to go into your autoresponder, and they're going to go into your CRM. So that is the simplest, easiest way to make a sales funnel. Okay, guys, I will talk to you later, and happy funneling. If you want to know how you can make this sales funnels and how you can use Funnelizer, so easy, so simple, just give me a comment, contact me on Messenger, and I'll be more than happy to get you hooked up with the system. Okay, guys, it is so simple. Let's do this together. Okay, talk to you later.